MGNI stock analysis, super interesting. Is it a buy? In this 1 minute video, I'm covering all that, so watch till the end. And Magnite is already sitting at 15 bucks, which is great. I mean, with 20% up, super interesting. I've done well over 40,000 videos, and the only guy in the space that's actually documented them all. And all I'm particularly looking to do is, was waiting for either like a breakdown or above. Then we also got a break above, so that's great. This is going to be deleted. This is only going to be a sell side opportunity if there was a break, and you can see what we had. I mean, yeah, that's great. Now we have a bullish range. I'm not going to particularly just randomly get involved like straight up. Now, the only way that I'll care about this is if I do see the price, pulling down a bit and then showing me some sort of a shift and a double break. But if rules are not met or anything, why the hell would I look to buy? Right? So I'll continue to keep you updated. And if you want to learn how I'm consistently generating 5 to 10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.